guys, so today I bring to you another healthy choice from True Greens Foods, a true replacement for your healthy keto, paleo, healthy lifestyle breakfast choice. And today we're going to work with a Clean-Oat meal or Clean-Oat breakfast. So again, it's pretty easy to make. All you're going to need is the cream of oat meal from True Greens Foods, water, or both water and heavy whipping cream, or almond milk, or your choice of healthy milk, and a sweetener, which is optional. So today I'm going to do 2 heaped up tablespoons of the Clean-Oat from True Greens Foods. All right, and I always start off mixing with water, and you just mix it according to how consistent you want it to be. So guys, this might not be enough for me today, so I'm actually going to add another tablespoon to it, making it 3 heaped tablespoons. So this should be enough for me, and I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream to it. And with this, I'll usually have it with some scrambled eggs or omelet, and I'm ready to go. The smell alone is something that I always miss. Okay, so this is how the Clean-Oat is ready to go. So I'm going to heat it up for just a minute. You can heat it up to 2 minutes. So today I'm going to do a minute with this Clean-Oat. Breakfast is ready to be served, and you could just add your sweetener to it, and it's all ready. This is the Clean-Oat from True Greens, and remember, all True Greens foods are natural with no artificial stuff added to it. So it can really replace a very healthy lifestyle choice, especially if you are dealing with any metabolic disease. This is your choice of breakfast, or True Green Foods are your choice of to-go meals to replace a healthy diet. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit.